Guys, it's Jodie. And today we're playing a new game called Pimple Pete. The way you play this game is you spin, you pull, and there's a chance where the Mega Zip will spray. The contents of this game are 1 Pimple Pete head, 1 spinner base, 18 pimples, Mega Zip plunger, and instructions. This game is from ages 5 and up and 2 and more players. So let's open the box. So guys, here's the things inside the box. So first we have Pimple Pete's head. These holes is where we're gonna put the pimples, and on the nose is where the water will spray. And here is the base. You spin, and underneath the arrow there's a head. Wherever it lands on is the part where you're gonna pull the pimple. And the parts you can get are the forehead, the right cheek, the left cheek, and the chin. Here are the pimples. On the pimples you can get points 1, 2, and 3. Also, the point of this game is if you have 2 players, you have to get 9 points. If you have 3 players, then 8 points. If you have 4 players, then you need 7 points to win. And here is the Mega Zip plunger, and we're gonna fill it up with water.
I'm gonna I water, guys.
And make sure you fill it up halfway. And let's set up everything. Okay, we'll put the head. So here we put the plunger in, and let's start putting the pimples. So you put a pimple and make sure the small part is going through the back, and then you pull.
Not too much.
There you go. So let's go. Okay, so we're done, and we're gonna fill up the plunger
Again.
So guys, we're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yes! Yes! I go first. So let's see where I'm gonna pull a pimple. I got.
Yes.
Wait, where is that? I don't know. I got in between. So I guess I will choose forehead, and I got 1 point. So just to know that whoever gets 9 points first wins this round. And Jimmy got right cheek. He got 1 point as well, so it's a tie. Okay, so it is my... Seriously. So it is my turn again, and let's see where I'm gonna pop. Seriously, Jimmy? I got forehead again. Okay. No. Also, if you let the Mega Zip squirt, you lose that pimple. So
it's a tie.
No, Jimmy. Actually, it is now a tie. So I'm gonna refill it. the plunger. So let's go. So it's Jimmy's turn now. Spin.
And then this is
Right cheek.
ah.
You got 1.
Ah.
He got a 1, so he got 2 points and I got 1 point. So that is not good for me. That's 1.
Yeah.
See, look, it's like, So, it's my turn. You've got to be kidding me. I got right cheek. I got 2 points, so I get 3 points. Seriously, Jimmy? So Jimmy made Pimple Pete fall.
It doesn't count.
So it doesn't count. So Jimmy gets to redo his turn because the magazine and he made Pimple Pete fall. So go. Seriously. You got. Wait, that's a bit. Oh, okay. So right cheek it is. That's forehead. Right cheek. You got that. It's a 1. So he got 3 points and I got 3 points. So it's a tie. And I need to spin because it is my turn. I got forehead. No, again. No. This is how we do it. So I'm gonna refill it. Okay, we're done refilling, so it is Jimmy's turn. Right cheek. Wait, there's nothing on the right cheek. So since there's nothing on the right cheek, Jimmy gets to pick a pimple anywhere. Let's face it, Jimmy. That's 2. He gets 5 points. Oh, no. Okay, my turn. Will I get it? That is forehead. So I guess I'm gonna. No! That is wrong!
It's fair.
No, I got it 3 times. Jimmy did 1 on accident. No. Okay. Refill. Jimmy's turn. You got right cheek, so he gets to pick anywhere. Please, Jimmy, squirt it. Please, I beg you.
Hi.
I think you're gonna blow the magazine. I know it.
Oh.
Wait, how much? You got 7 points. Okay, so he only needs 2 more points, and I'm doomed. Catch up. Okay, so it is my turn.
He needs to catch up.
I need to catch up. I need 3 points. Okay, spin. I got right cheeks. I can pick anywhere. No, I want to pick anywhere I want. So I guess this is. I got 2 points. Yes. So I got 5 points. I'm catching up. So I need 3 points. 5 points. Okay. I need 4 points. So Jimmy, he got forehead.
Damn. What's that?
Then pick something out. Oh, you got 1. No, that means he needs 1 more point. I am doomed. 100% doomed.
Yeah.
My turn.
She looks at it fast.
Right cheek. Yes. So I get to pick anywhere I want.
This one.
You can't pick mine, but I will listen to Jimmy. If it's not gonna. Yes. 3 points. So I got 7.
No.
I got 8 points. Oh no, that's bad. That means Jimmy's gonna win. Please, 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 please be forehead. Right cheek. No, I want you to pick. I want to pick yours. Jimmy won. No. Yeah, baby Jade. Can you say hi? Okay, sorry. I'm a chair, everybody. I'm a chair. He's pulling a pimple. You got 1 point. Because you're only 1 year old. Mwah.
What's all the people, guys?
Do you need help? So guys, this is the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss a new video.
Bye!
Say bye. Cute.